Dear student, welcome to my online live class. Today I am again here with another topics. In my previous class I discussed about sentence. Do you remember? Do you tell me anyone what is sentence? An assertive sentence makes a statement about a person, thing or event. It may positive or negative. Sometimes we need to change the statement positive to negative. We can change the assertive sentence, that means affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, in two ways. An affirmative sentence can be changed into negative with changing the meaning. Then we can call it conversion of sentence. But in other way, an affirmative sentence can be changed into negative without changing the meaning of the sentence. Then we call it transformation of sentence. Today's topic, transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. There are two ways by which we can change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Here follow the whiteboard. One is replace method and another is rules method. Sometimes we can replace any word and change the sentence affirmative to negative. Just I would like to give you some example. If you find both something and, you can use not only instead of both and but also instead of and. So by replacing the word you can change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. If you find must in any affirmative sentence, you can write cannot but. So by replacing must instead of cannot but, you can change the sentence into affirmative to negative. So in this way we can change in a replace method. But we can change sentence rules method. According to rules, first you can use not after auxiliary verb, then you can use antonym or opposite of any verb, adjective or adverb. By following the rules, you can also change affirmative to negative. So let's start. I would like to give you some example so that you can understand my lesson. Dear student, for replacing method, first you need to know which word we can change instead of which word. Here if you find must in a affirmative sentence, you can change it cannot but or cannot help. Both something something and, you can change not only something something but also. If you find every in affirmative sentence, you can change it there is no something something but. If you find only or alone, you can change it by using the word none but, nothing but, not more than or no less than. If you find to something something to, you can use so something something that. If you find as soon as something something comma, you can use no sooner had something something then. So now in details, if you find must in affirmative sentence, you can change it into cannot but or cannot help. And on the other hand, if you find cannot but or cannot help in the negative sentence, you can change it must. You can use must to change affirmative sentence. But here you notice, if you find cannot help, you can use verb plus ing. But when you use must in it instead of cannot help, you should follow. You shouldn't use verb plus ing. So here I wrote an example. You must obey your parents. Here just instead of must, I use cannot but. It's replace method. And here I use cannot help and also verb plus ing. If you find cannot help plus verb plus ing, you can use must and also avoiding ing, only base form of verb. So I think you can follow the replace method to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. If you find both something something and in affirmative sentence, you can use not only instead of both and but also instead of and to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Here I gave you an example. Both Raju and Meena can do it. Here both I use not only instead of both and also but also instead of and there is no other change here. So we can change affirmative to negative by replacing the conjunction or some words. If you find every in affirmative sentence, you can change there is no something something but instead of every. And also if you find there is no something something but, you can change it using every to affirmative. Here you see everyone hates a liar. I just use for every, I use there is no but these words one and also but. So there is no something something but. And here you see, here also you find every. So I use there is no and something but. Only replacing the word we can change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Dear student, if you find only or alone in the affirmative sentence, you can change it into negative by using none but. If only or alone indicates a person or Allah, you can use nothing but. If only or alone indicates a thing, you can use not more than or no less than. If only or alone indicates a number, you see only Allah, only indicates Allah. If only indicates Allah or person, we can use none but instead of only. So none but Allah can save us. If only indicates a thing, a bag is a thing, so we can use nothing but instead of only. And if we find only indicates a number, then we can use not more than or no less than. So he is not more than 10 years old or no less than 10 years old. If you find so something something that plus subject plus can or could plus not plus verb 1, you can change negative to affirmative by using to plus verb 1. Here you follow, I use to instead of so and I use to instead of that. So something that subject plus can or could plus not plus verb 1, but after to we only use verb 1. The subject and cannot will not be used because to doesn't follow any subject or cannot or couldn't, but after so that it follows subject can or could. If you find as soon as something something comma, you can use no sooner had something something then. Here there is a note, no, after no sooner had the tense will be past perfect tense, but after as soon as both clause will be past indefinite tense. Here first clause will be past perfect and the last clause will be past indefinite tense. See, as soon as he saw the police, comma, he ran away, and I use no sooner had instead of as soon as. Then he seen the police, instead of comma I use then. Here you see he saw past indefinite tense, but here had he seen is past perfect tense, the past participle form of verb. And the last clause he ran away, here it is also past indefinite tense, and after then it will also be past indefinite tense. So when you find as soon as something comma, you can sense no sooner had something then, but after as soon as both clause will be past indefinite tense, but after no sooner had first clause will be past perfect and the last clause will be past indefinite tense. Sometimes we find positive degree, and when we change the sentence, when we want to change it into negative, we should follow the structure of positive and comparative degree. Here you find subject 1 plus verb plus as or so plus positive form plus as plus subject 2. Here there are two subjects, so I mentioned subject 1 and subject 2. If you find this structure, you can change by following this structure. Here subject 2, so the last subject you should use at the beginning of the sentence, then verb plus comparative form plus then plus subject. Here I want to mention you, we need to change affirmative to negative. You see, Dhaka is larger than Kumilla. It is affirmative sentence but comparative structure. So when you change it into affirmative or negative, you should use not. And when you change it, the sentence is affirmative, the structure may be affirmative or negative. This structure also may be affirmative or negative. If you find this structure, you can change it into affirmative to negative by following the structure. Here larger is a comparative form, so subject verb comparative form, and I use subject plus verb plus not as it is negative sentence, and as large as Dhaka. So sometimes we need to follow the structure of degree to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. If you find the superlative structure, subject plus verb plus superlative form and extension. If you find est after adjective or most before any adjective, the adjective will be superlative form. And if you find this, you can change it into negative by following the structure. You should first write no other than extension. Extension after superlative form, you see superlative form plus extension. So no other plus extension, then verb plus as or so, positive form of superlative form, as plus subject. So here the sentence starts with subject, but here the sentence ends with subject. Follow this sentence. He is the best student. So best is the superlative form of good. So first I write no other, then extension. After the superlative form there is extension, and then verb, then as or so, positive form and as, and the subject I here write in the end of the sentence. So by following this structure, you can change any sentence into affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Dear student, if you find everyone or everybody in affirmative sentence, you can use who plus does or did plus not when you change it affirmative to negative. Sometimes we need to make the sentence interrogative to change affirmative to negative. You see, everybody loves an honest man. It is an assertive sentence and affirmative sentence. When it happens, you should use who plus does plus not or did plus not. As it is present form, you can use does. So for everybody, we use who plus does plus not. We use does instead of s. So here I don't use s after verb. So when you find everyone or everybody, you can change affirmative to negative by using who plus does plus did plus not. On the other hand, if you find in the affirmative sentence only who, not who does not or who did not, only who, and then main verb, you can use nobody, no one or none to make it negative. Here you see who can do this. It's an interrogative sentence, and here I use only none instead of who, but other part is unchanged. So we can make any affirmative to negative by using nobody, no one, none instead of who. Sometimes there are some sentence which we can make affirmative to negative by changing the whole sentence, such as always speak the truth. Negative, never tell a lie. There is no similarities between two sentences. The sentence is totally changed. And sometimes we use some phrase, left no stone unturned, leave no stone unturned. For this phrase I use tried his best. Sometimes we need to changing the phrase of the sentence. He left no stone unturned to do this. Here I wrote he tried his best to do this. If we see the sentence is universal truth or habitual fact, then we can make the sentence interrogative to change it into negative or affirmative. Here the sun rises in the east. The sentence is universal truth. So I use interrogative by using auxiliary verb at the front of the sentence, and as it will be negative, I use not after auxiliary verb. So the sun rises in the east. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? And here mother reads the Quran daily. It's also habitual fact. So doesn't mother read the Quran daily? By making the sentence interrogative, we can change any universal truth or habitual fact sentence, change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative by making interrogative. So dear student, if you find the word replacing method, must, cannot but, only, none but, both, and not only but also, such type of words if you find, you can change the sentence affirmative to negative by replacing these words. But if you don't find these words, you can follow the rules method. First you want to see whether the replacing methods words are there. If you don't find these words, you can follow rules method. So first you should use not after auxiliary verb. According to rules method, if you want to make change affirmative to negative, you should use not after auxiliary verb. If you don't find auxiliary verb, you can use do, does or did according to the main verb and then not. So first job is to use not. If you find auxiliary verb, you can use auxiliary verb plus not. If you don't find auxiliary verb, you can use do, does, did according to main verb and then not. And the second work, you should use opposite word of verb, adjective or adverb. But when you find always or never, you can use never instead of always. But then you should not use not after auxiliary verb, because never means not either. So by following rules method, you can change affirmative to negative when you don't find the words where I use replacing method. So according to rules method, first you need to use not after auxiliary verb. So man is not, and the second work on just doing two things, you can change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. First you can use not after auxiliary verb, and then you can use the word opposite, mortal, and its opposite word is immortal. So man is not immortal. He is honest. Here there is also an auxiliary verb. So you can use not. Then honest, the opposite word dishonest. He is not dishonest. But this sentence, mother loves me very much, here there is no auxiliary verb. So you should follow the main verb. Here the main verb indicates present indefinite tense. So subject is third person singular. We can use does not. So mother does not, and the opposite word of love is hate. Mother does not hate me very much. And I also mention you that if you find never, its negative sentence, we can use always instead of never. So I shall always, and you should use the opposite word. Forget, the opposite word is remember. So I shall always remember you. By doing only two things, we can change affirmative to negative according to rules method. So man is mortal, man is not immortal. He is honest, he is not dishonest. Mother loves me very much, mother does not hate me very much. I shall never forget you, I shall always remember you. Dear student, so today you learned how to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. First, I told you that in two ways we can change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. First is replacing method. If you find must in affirmative sentence, you can use cannot but instead of must to make it negative. If you find both something something and, you can use not only something something but also to make it negative. And if you find not only but also, you can use both and to make it affirmative. So you know a lot. Today's class, I think you are able to make any affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. In other ways, you can change affirmative to negative by following rules. You can do two things to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. First one is, you should use not after auxiliary verb. If you don't find auxiliary verb, you can follow the main verb, and according to main verb you can use do, does, did plus not after subject. And also secondly you can change or you can use a opposite word of verb, adjective or adverb of the sentence. So two ways you can change affirmative to negative. One is replacing method, other is rules method. Dear student, now I want to give you some homework. I believe you all have this book, English Grammar and Composition. Go to unit 7, lesson 2. You will find affirmative and negative sentence, and here there is a question, A column and B column. Match A column with B column, page number 139, and you will show this homework to your class teacher. Best of luck. Inshallah, I will meet you with another class next time. Thank you very much.